strategic thinking, friends, is the topic for the evening today. And we will be going ahead with this topic. First, I will make a presentation to set the tone for the evening. And then all the interesting members that you see on the screen for Business Opportunities Club will be speaking turn by turn on their thoughts and perspective on today's topic, which is strategic thinking. Friends, we all of us have reached where we have reached due to some strategies that we have used, and there are ways on how we can improve our strategies. Something about me, I'm chairman for St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures. My name is Agnelo Rajesh Athayat. We are one of the largest villa developers in India with multiple projects across cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, and Madurai. I'm a serial entrepreneur with business interest in a wide range of businesses across the globe. I'm a passionate mentor on a mission to build 100 strong entrepreneurs in India through affiliations with a strong and a robust organization like Business Opportunities Club. So friends, let's get back to the topic for the day, and that is strategic thinking. The first question to answer is, what is strategic thinking? Strategic thinking is simply an intentional and rational thought process that focuses on the analysis of critical factors and variables that will influence the long-term success of a business, a team, or an individual. Strategic thinking includes careful and deliberate anticipation of threats and vulnerabilities to guard against and opportunities to pursue. So that's what is strategic thinking. And why is strategic thinking so important? Friends, the competitive landscape can change quickly for any organization. New trends may emerge quickly and require you to take advantage of them or fall behind. By incorporating everyday strategic thinking into your work and life routines, you will be more accustomed to getting more skilled at anticipating, forecasting, and capitalizing on the opportunities. Strategic thinking in business is a very interesting topic. Businesses also need to schedule a time for strategic thinking and reviews. Leadership teams should periodically examine their strategic initiatives to ensure execution is taking place, review and sustain the execution is taking place on time in the right way that it was envisaged. Review is also taken place on time, and we need to sustain the effort across the organization. Everybody needs to strategize and also review on a regular basis. Strategic thinking in leadership. Friends, business leaders and stakeholders use strategic thinking and analysis to decide what product mix they will offer, what competitive landscape to compete in or not to compete in, and how limited resources will be allocated, such as time, employees, and capital. Most importantly, to avoid putting resources at unnecessary risk of loss. All this can be calculated when you review the strategy that you have implemented. Now let's understand how to improve strategic thinking skills. There are 5 steps to improving your strategic thinking skills. Step number 1, set aside time to reflect and plan for the future. Identify trends, prioritize tasks, and determine where to allocate your resources. Point number 2, uncover your own biases so you can think more clearly about strategy. Please do not get prejudiced. Keep a completely open mind. Point number 3, listen to the subject matter experts and opinion leaders in your organization to obtain higher quality information which you can use in your strategic thinking. Point number 4, learn to ask good questions to uncover better options and plans. Questions such as, is this idea from a credible source and is this idea logical? This kind of questions will help you filter the strategy that you're intending to implement. Explore all the consequences is my 5th point. Friends, explore all the consequences of different strategies and directions. The key takeaway for today's topic that I discussed is, as with any skill, you will improve at strategic thinking the more you practice it and the more experience you gain. It's definitely worth the time and effort. Importantly, strategic thinking distinguishes mediocre businesses and entrepreneurs from those that excel. And every successful entrepreneur has been successful purely on the power, the strength, the confidence, and the quality of the strategy that they implement.